Welcome back to our channel. From our previous video, we learned 5 online businesses you can do, but in today's video we will consider the topic, step-by-step process of starting any online business. Don't forget to like, comments, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more of our videos. Each of these business models require different types of resources, skill sets, and experiences. If you're someone who starts from zero and needs to make money quickly, I suggest you start with the easiest one, which is selling a service or services. However, the fundamental step-by-step process of starting any of the online business is largely the same. 1. Validate your idea. Idea validation is the process of gathering evidence around ideas through experimentation to make fast, informed and risk decisions. It's a process that starts from an idea and typically ends with a paying customer. The purpose of idea validation is to expose the idea to the practicality of the real world before you build and release the final product or offering. Your goal can be one of the following, for example, problem: is your problem true/worth solving? Solution: is your product/offer going to solve the problem? Features: how do the core features of your product work? Business model: is your business model viable and scalable? Price: is there enough demand to make your business model work with the price you've set? How does your pricing model work in practice? 2. Develop your positioning and offering. 90% of the elements that make or break your business come down to your positioning and offering. To make sure you get them right, spend a great deal of time studying your audience and focusing on solving a problem for them. This means you want to have the great product that solves the right problem at the right time. 3. Create a marketing system. A marketing system is simply a process to put yourself in front of more of the right people when you get your positioning and offering right. Thing gets clear when you start adopting this perspective. 4. Test and optimize. A strategy, a funnel, or a system won't work forever. Get creative and keep testing things out. Look for areas that generate the greatest impact on your goals while requiring the least investment of resources. These are the best places for you to start optimizing. Don't forget to like, comments, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more of our videos. Thanks for watching this video.